Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Today I have yet another amazing one. It's called Mbadiwe AI, and this one in a nutshell is an application that is going to help you create fully customized ebooks, flipbooks and other informational products. And this you can do using a single keyword of your choice without you having to write anything yourself, without you basically doing anything, because the AI is going to do this and create e-covers and all the rest of them that you need to create an ebook online. And then of course you can launch this through the Amazon Kindle stores and all the other book outlets out there online. It's an amazing product from UNTAPPED and is going live today, the 1st of December 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, which is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. And if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to this channel and use the bell icon for notification. At any time you decide to buy this product, Mbadiwe AI, during the course of this review, that first link below in my description area will bring you to the amazing sales page, which is exactly where we are going to see what this product is going to do for you as soon as you get a copy of it. This is the very sales page where the link will bring you to, and at that point you will be able to decide for yourself and pick up a copy using this very link here, and they are all scattered all over this amazing page. It's a good one from UNTAPPED, my friend, and of course we can definitely go into details with this one. Now this is what Mbadiwe is going to do for you. It is the brand new first to market AI technology that creates fully customized ebooks, flipbooks and other informational products from a single keyword, and without you writing a single word or doing anything basically yourself. So you have only 3 quick clicks that creates your first profitable info product in hordes of red hot niches, and of course make you this almost $1,000 a daily, depending on your strategy, with no prior writing, no research and no other technical skills required. Now you have certain benefits which we are going to go through. The details of course are very much in this very sales page, which you are going to have access to at your convenience. But first, let us see what it does for you in a nutshell. First to market cutting edge AI technology that it has a very intelligent solutions to all your writing problems, and you tap into huge untapped $16.5 billion e-book industry. This is huge, with zero grunt work, and of course you create stunning fully functional ebooks, flipbooks and the other ones for any offer, and of course in any niche of your choice, and you effortlessly convert any PDF text, image or other content into mind-blowing ebooks like a pro. This is what the product is going to do, the application is going to do for you. You create attention-grabbing content, rich info, books in major languages spoken globally. Most languages you can do this. It has a translator that actually translates any text of your choice that is created with this AI, and then you can launch that book in any language of your choice. You customize your ebook, name, description, image and all the other things needed in a book, and add a lasting personalized touch to the recipient. Okay, so it's a good one, because you are going to have to go through what the AI has written and see where you can make different changes to suit your message, in the book or whatever you are doing with this very application. Okay, so it has a lot of things you can read for yourself. You don't need to write any single word or design anything yourself. The AI does all that for you. No hidden fees, no extra expenses, because you don't have any subscription monthly fees to pay with this one. You buy it one time and it's yours, and it has 30-day money back guarantee amongst all the other qualities with this one. Okay, so let's go further. I believe these are some of the income proofs from the great creator who has made a lot of money creating products that have helped a lot of people get foothold on making money online digitally. So you have normally a few basic steps, 3 clicks actually. Step 1 will be to log into the very AI dashboard, which is this, and then after that you'll be able to customize using any keyword of your choice on any niche you have in mind. It could be fitness, it could be make money online, it could be on health, it could be anything whatsoever. You even cookbooks or whatever you want to write, you can write. Even for kids, you can write anything for kids, and then of course it will be there to add the cover and design it as you desire using the AI. Okay, so that's about what we have for this very one. And then in the third step will be to sell and profit, depending on the outlets where you have them, like Kindle store on Amazon, and the other digital tool, and the rest of them where you can buy books and read online. Okay, so that's where the money comes from, and of course the traffic that is connected with the system that will help you get all the information you need to across the other people who you expect to patronize the book. So it's a good one in my assessment, and that will enable you cancel any big money contract you may have with anybody who writes for you as a copywriter or anything else. You can dedicate your writing on fashion, you can dedicate it on spirituality, you can dedicate it on basically anything that is going to help someone out there, get help, depending on whose help you are solving. Okay, so that's exactly what I have here. You'll be able to go through all of this when you arrive at the very sales page, see the testimonials from the people who have been able to use this product in the past before it is launched. So you'll be able to see if this is going to be for you. Imagine being able to get a PDF somewhere, make different changes to the PDF, and then have this very application turn it into a flipbook or ebook that you can sell online. So basically, if you want to publish books, this may be the instrument you need to work with AI to actually get your book ready. And that means you can launch every month or 2 times a month, different niches, different whatever that interests you, which will of course offer value to the public. So that's exactly what the book does for you, the very application does for you. Go through the testimonials and see what people are saying. It's exactly about this very Mbadiwe AI from Oda Pramanik. But for now, let us see the very members area. Oh yes, this is the dashboard, and here you have, of course, the ebook section, which is where you have cookbook, the rising captive. These are some of the headlines that are already done here. You have the lead funnel, you have the setup delivery, you have the done for you system, the drive traffic, data export, you have promote offers, teams, and agency reseller. All these things you have. Unfortunately, I don't have access yet to the very dashboard area, the review access, and I can't wait for it forever. So I am going to just play the video of this product in action so that you see exactly how it's going to work for you and how you can take advantage of this amazing application to create ebooks and flipbooks that you can sell online. After that, we'll see the pricing and of course my amazing bonuses for you. Okay, let's do that. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel where I review IT products and training courses that are going to help you make money online. Today we are talking about Mbadiwe AI, and now let's see the super pricing for this one. The front end gives you access to Mbadiwe for $17, and this will give you automatic access to this very dashboard where you can do anything you want. You have the upgrade number 1, the Pro edition goes for $7. Professional edition, actually, you have the upgrade number 2, which is the unlimited version, goes for $147. Here basically everything is unlimited, no watermarks, nothing, everything is unlimited for you. Here you have the upgrade number 3, the very AI lead funnel system, goes for $47. You have number 4 as done for you, which is $167. Here the team does basically everything, sets it up for you completely and put you into profit making, launching books and publishing books. Now you have the upgrade number 5, unlimited traffic, goes for $67. You have upgrade number 6, which is the stock assets done for you, goes for $47. You have the agency, goes for $197. Here you have an agency's business on your hands. You have also the upgrade number 8, which is the reseller, goes for $87. Those are very affordable pricing. Now let's see the amazing bonuses I have for you. Number 1 is Latitude, which is a unique and beginner friendly spin on push button profits, and of course this will help you make money on NFTs with blockchain, on digital arts, non-fungible token arts. Okay, so you have number 2 as Tweetex, which is a Chrome extension that's going to be installed in your application, which is going to help you drive traffic from X platform, which was formerly Twitter, to any of our link of your choice. You have number 3, the Insurgency, a beginner friendly training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have of course the Lazy Traffic Sniper as number 4, which is how to get free buyer access and traffic to your products or whatever you're marketing online. You have number 5, which is the JavaScript commission bot, which is a bot that is installed in your system that drives traffic from internet sources to any offer or link of your choice. Business is about traffic, and that's the only way you can make money. Okay, when the eyeballs are there to see your product online, then you have the chance of making sales for valuable products, of course. That will help you. And now you have the number 6, the lockdown formula, which is a beginner friendly, where I started my online journey, which teaches you how to start online and scale your business to any level you choose. You have number 7, the commissions toolbox. It has over 1,000 different links for different capabilities and tasks online, and this you'll be able to have for free if you buy this product using my link. And when you do buy this product, after your purchase history, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this, and this button will give you access to this very Mbadiwe AI application where you can create books, and you have also this very button blue giving you access to these crazy training courses and softwares that are going to help you make money online, which are actually still selling on Warrior Plus, which will become yours today eventually if you make up your mind to pick up this using that first link below in my description area. Now let us see if we can go ahead to inform you and remind you that this product is going live today, 1st of December 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, by the way, and of course Central European time 5 p.m. and GMT 4 p.m. The buttons on this very sales page like this one will become operational when eventually that time comes. With that, I'm going to have to end it here for today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification, and I'll be back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me guys, from here, it's goodbye.